The problem of pollution has always been a major issue for years, particularly in the Castries Basin. With just 19 days into the Atlantic hurricane season, the chairman of the Castries Central Disaster Committee is predicting critical issues with flooding if the matter of littering is not addressed. Davis Paul says the situation is of serious concern and has called for litter bugs to be prosecuted.
The old CDCs, if you walk there now, as we speak, you will think that there is no garbage collection there, and there is a garbage collection. The fact is that we need those contractors and even City Council to do even a little better job where garbage collection is concerned. Put up your signs and please do the arresting, because there are legislation there that you can charge and people can go to court and pay for their actions when it comes to garbage and of course, solid waste.
Mr. Paul notes that although there are cleanup campaigns, individuals must take personal responsibility for littering.
It had already started. The past weekend we have had some flooding within Central Castries. Up to Sunday we had some flooding where people couldn't traverse. Within the area of the pump you find there's still the same problem with the garbage. Around the pumps are endless plastic bottles, and this is a major problem. We need to at least do something. There were some recycling done before. I'm not sure if it is still happening. There was a guy at Kalisak who were collecting those bottles, which was a good thing. And you find from the time I think they stopped him, we have our major problem back with the plastic bottles and the flooding. And this is something that we cannot run away from.
The chairman of the 9-member Castries Central Disaster Committee adds that a bigger issue is contractors with the mandate to clean up the city not doing a thorough job. For the DBS News World, Jason Hollandseed reporting.